Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the Dow and the NASDAQ are on pace to post a loss for the week overall after having 2 weeks of weekly gains. And the S&P 500 is sitting relatively unchanged for the week as we're looking at it right now. As you can see, we have a chart analysis score of plus 55, currently trading at 2,673.90. Up about 0.1%, has been wavering back and forth for the week between losses and gains as we sit here. Key level to watch going into next week will be 2,610.79. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating that the long-term downtrend has resumed for the S&P 500. Moving along to the Dow Jones, currently down about 0.4% on the week overall, with a chart analysis score of plus 55, trading at 24,348.52. Key level to watch would be 23,823.08. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that the long-term downtrend has resumed for the Dow. Moving along to the NASDAQ, only one of the three indexes with a chart analysis score of plus 90. However, it is down 0.2% on the week, even with the amazing earnings by Amazon today. Key level to watch would be 6,926.97. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that a sidelines position would be in order for the NASDAQ. Taking a look at the US dollar, having a phenomenal week this week, up 1.38% and getting relatively close to that key level of 92.02 that we're looking at to issue a green monthly trade triangle, which would indicate a long position for the US dollar. Chart analysis score is currently plus 60, but if we got that green monthly, it would push it to plus 100, indicating a strong uptrend. Move along to crude oil, coming under a little bit of pressure this week, down about 0.3% after two back-to-back weeks of big gains. Currently with a chart analysis score plus 75. However, the long-term trend is weakening with the issuance of a red daily trade triangle. Key level right now is 69.78. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for crude oil. Taking a look at gold now, down about 1% on the week with a chart analysis score of negative 60, with a red weekly and a red daily trade triangle indicating that a short-term downtrend is in place. And we'll actually back this out to a daily chart here. You can see we got that new weekly red trade triangle right there at 1,322.60, and that indicated that the intermediate term trend had turned lower. Key level to watch should be 1,333.80. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating an exit from that short-term short position. And we'll go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin here. Continuing its run higher, up about 0.4% today, trading back above 9,000. You see right there, 9,224.53 with a chart analysis score plus 75. Key level to watch would be 6,616.14. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Key level I think remains is 9,870.37, which we'll turn it on right here, is this level right here on the 200-day moving average. Earlier in the week, it tried to break it, but met a little bit of resistance and fell back. So we're looking for Bitcoin to move above that level for the long-term trend to continue higher. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week with your market recap.